Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Before deleting your account, keep in mind that all your videos, posts, drafts, and data will be permanently removed. If you want to keep a copy of your content, you may want to download your data first. Another option is deactivating your account, which hides your profile but allows you to reactivate it later and recover everything. To begin, open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the side menu, select Settings and Privacy. At the top of the screen, tap Account, then scroll down and select Deactivate or Delete Account. Here you'll see two options. Deactivating your account will temporarily hide your profile and content, and you can reactivate it at any time. Deleting your account will permanently remove everything, although you still have a short period where you can cancel the deletion by logging back in. If you choose to delete your account, TikTok may show you a short survey, which you can skip. You'll also see the option to download your data before continuing. Once you're ready, agree to the terms and tap Continue. Review the information carefully, then tap Continue again. TikTok will send you a verification code by SMS. Enter the code, tap Delete Account, and confirm. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your TikTok account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.